Hello, welcome to today's immigration tidbit. Are you wondering whether you should do adjustment of status or consulate processing? Do you know the difference between the two? Well, first, let me just briefly tell you. Consulate processing is when you are either inside the country or outside, but ultimately you're going to go outside the country to the U.S. consulate or U.S. embassy for the final interview in order to hopefully get your green card and then come back or to come to the United States as a lawful permanent resident. Adjustment of status is when you are in the United States and you are going to adjust your status from whatever you happen to have, whether it's legal or illegal, depending what you qualify for, to that of lawful permanent residency. Now, for the most part, it is better to do adjustment if you can. If you qualify and if you are here and you have a question of which to do, adjustment is definitely better because of a few reasons. Number one, you're here. And number two, if things go sideways, which they do sometimes, especially with officers who abuse their power, who rule on things that have nothing to do with the petition in front of them, who want to show people that they're boss type thing, and you have to appeal or do a motion to reopen or apply legal leverage, it is always easier, better, and more efficient if you're already here in the United States. That's a fact. It is more difficult to get decisions overturned at the U.S. consulate than it is here at USCIS or some other agency inside the United States. I can tell you for a fact I've had to do both over the years, and it definitely is more difficult with consulate processing. They are given such a wide latitude of decision making that it's almost mind-numbing how ridiculous sometimes decisions can be that are difficult to get overturned. It doesn't mean they can't in consulate processing. I've had to, and I've had success in getting them overturned. But what it does mean is that if you have a choice and you can do adjustment, you should. Now that doesn't mean to come to the U.S. on a visitor visa, with the intention to get the green card. That's not legal. But again, if you have the opportunity, try to adjust rather than do consulate processing. Okay?